stove out here in the shop, and this is what actually caught the ashes as they were burning down. So before I can light that, I've got to make one of these. And it looks like, according to what I'm seeing here, there's a seam here and a seam here. There's of course, this handle, I guess, to pick it up out of there, something like that. But so that's what I got to make. So this is what I decided to do. I had a piece of stainless steel here. I'm going to. This is actually the dimensions of what that is. I'm going to cut out here, make some relief cuts down through there so this can be bent up, and the same around the front here. And then I'm going to cut here along this length here and bend right here and here to make that one piece. And then when this is bent up, the rest of this will wrap around the back, and the same, that one will wrap around this way. I'll cut it off so there's about that much gap, or that much, not gap, but a joint in the middle. And then I'll use my spot welder that I made on a couple episodes ago and see what happens. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but we'll find out. It didn't cost me anything for this. I've had this for some time. I've actually used some of this in the camper build. So get this out of the way. All right, let's see if we can do this. It's pretty much got it. I don't know if I was in the way in much of that or not, but now I will bend these up, those up, and those don't have to be welded or anything. I could just take a piece of metal like this and just run on the inside and just tack it in there. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it's not that it's going to hold any great weight. It's just to get done what I need done. I'll start bending. what I want to do is I want to go through here and weld this before I tack that together. That's going to add strength with those two joints. So we will plug in my homemade welder and we shall see if it's going to work. Here. And it worked pretty good. Alright, just go through here and do the same. And then my tip a little bit, I think. This one out. That was a good one. Okay. Alright, that looks pretty good. I don't know, can you actually see that? Guess we'll find out. It's done pretty good. I'm gonna come back a little later, add a little more tension to this, I guess, and that would really help me out a lot. But yeah, that's been working. That's working good. That's working really good. I got my everything done. One thing I need to make sure that you understand is if this is electricity you're messing with. You don't need to be doing it if you don't have any idea what you're doing, and if you can't respect electricity, you definitely don't need to be doing it. You can't do it a lot in a row because your wires will get hot. You just need to understand that all the wires will get hot. When they get hot, quit. Let everything cool down. It should take about an hour. But I've got everything welded here that I want to weld, so I'll get on to the next part of the project. I'm going to fold this over and hammer it flat. I'm going to go to 45 to this, and then I'll take the handle off the other one, just drill a hole here and put it on here, because I mean all it's going to be is ashes that it's going to pull out of here anyway, so that I wanted you to follow along on that. went from that to that. Stainless steel. Your handle. You gotta find the. I'm gonna use the one that's on the original. So I just need to find my balance point. So what I'll do is I'll just pick it up. Oh, look at that. If I go too far forward, it'll say back. Right there it is. And I'm going to make them the same on both sides. So I'll just mark there. Tape measure. About that's going to be 2 3/4.